Did you know that a sparkling clean home can significantly influence a buyer's decision? Studies show that cleanliness can increase perceived value and create emotional connections. Imagine stepping into a home that feels inviting and fresh. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming properties to maximize their appeal. Realtors, we know time is of the essence. Our reliable professional team delivers quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings shine just in time for showings or open houses. A clean home not only impresses potential buyers, but also highlights a property's best features, making it easier to close deals faster. Here's a tidy tip for realtors. Open all the blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This simple step makes spaces feel brighter and more welcoming, enhancing the overall atmosphere. We understand the urgency in real estate, and our mission is to help you succeed by making homes truly shine. Ready to elevate your listings? Check the video description for more details and contact us today. Visit app.tidytex.us, call 210-951-8206, or email admin@tidytex.us. Let's get those homes sold.